Oh snap, it's the 5-number summary. First things first, my data is different than yours, so I'm going to have different answers, but the process remains the same. First, you got to type in your labels. Then, you got to type in your formulas. Make sure you use an equal sign and an open parentheses. At that point, you got to select your data. Now, you close your parentheses and hit enter. Let's inspect what we just did. I have equals min, opens the parentheses. My data goes from B2 to B204. It's going to find the minimum within that range. Okay, homies. Next, we're going to find the first quartile, the lower quartile. You're going to say equals quartile.exc. That's the special quartile that we use at our school. And I'm going to use the same range that I had from before. And I'm going to use a comma and a 1. That way it knows it once I want to find the first quartile. If I want to find the median, say equals median. If I want to find the third quartile, I'll use the same technique, but this time with a comma 3. And if I want to find the max, I just say equals max and use the same range.
This episode was brought to you by Kapow Mathematics.